What's up, Mindful Mentors 12 community? It's AJ. AI is transforming education, and 2026 is set to be a breakthrough year, especially with AI tutoring apps acting as personal mentors. Today, we're breaking down 10 of the best AI-powered apps making learning smarter, faster, and more engaging. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just love learning, there's something here for you. Many of these apps are free or affordable, so anyone can get started. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more tips. Why the hype? The edtech market is projected to hit $400 billion by 2026, with AI driving personalized, 24/7 learning. These apps adapt to your style, making tough subjects like math or coding manageable, and they're way cheaper than traditional tutoring. We've done the homework for you. Here are our top 10 picks to supercharge your learning in 2026. Ready to level up? Let's dive into the AI education revolution. First up, Conmigo from Khan Academy. Built on GPT-4, Conmigo uses the Socratic method, guiding you with questions so you learn by thinking, not copying. It's free for students with a low-cost premium plan and trusted by over 150 million users worldwide. For building real understanding, Conmigo is a must-have in 2026. Number 2 is StudyFetch and its AI tutor SparkD. Upload your notes, textbooks, or videos. SparkEE creates flashcards, quizzes, and even podcasts from your materials. It's a time saver for students juggling heavy workloads, with a freemium model and premium plans starting at $10/month. StudyFetch turns any content into a personalized study tool. At number 3, Course Heroes AI curates the best study guides and resources for your exact course. It combines AI-powered search with 24/7 access to real human tutors for instant homework help. Free and premium options make it accessible for all students. Course Hero blends AI speed with expert support. Number 4 is MathGPT Pro, perfect for STEM students. Snap a photo of any math problem and it gives you step-by-step solutions with 90% accuracy on AP-level questions. Free to start, with premium at $5/month. MathGPT Pro is your late-night math lifesaver. Halfway through, number 5 is Cogni. Its AI tutor engages students in real conversations, building critical thinking by prompting you to explain your reasoning. Free for K-12 with premium for higher ed and corporate training. Cogni coaches your thought process, not just your memory. Number 6 is Tutor AI, a universal tutor for any topic. Type in what you want to learn, and it generates a personalized module with clear explanations and examples. Free to use, with optional upgrades. Tutor AI is your on-demand expert for any subject. Number 7, No Unity School GPT gamifies studying with quizzes, flashcards, and a point system. Tap into a massive library of student-created notes and guides. Free with a $3/month premium option. For interactive, community-driven learning, No Unity is a must-try. Number 8 is Play-Doh, your personal writing and language coach. Get instant feedback on grammar, structure, and fluency. Perfect for non-native and native English speakers alike. Free and premium plans make expert writing help affordable. Number 9, MindGrasp AI turns any document, video, or audio into notes, summaries, and quizzes. Great for both students and professionals who need to digest lots of information fast. Free trial available, with plans from $6/month. MindGrasp helps you focus on what matters most. Rounding out the list, Squirrel AI offers hyper-personalized learning paths. It pinpoints your strengths and weaknesses, then tailors lessons to fill your knowledge gaps. Subscription starts at $5/month and is used by millions. For real-time, adaptive learning, Squirrel AI is at the cutting edge. That's the list. Here's how to get started. Try free versions to see which apps fit your style. Upload your materials to StudyFetch or MindGrasp for instant study tools. Set daily sessions with Conmigo or No Unity to stay consistent. Combine apps, use MathGPT Pro for math, Play-Doh for writing, check device compatibility and read user reviews. Prioritize data privacy, choose trusted platforms. Remember, these tools supplement your learning, not replace it. Which AI app are you most excited to try? Comment below, subscribe, and join our community for more tips.